What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy. And when you think about Maryland, you may think the Baltimore Ravens, the Orioles, maybe the aquarium, but we think about the Chesapeake Bay and blue crabs.
Seafood galore.
And when you grow up in Maryland, you're just spoiled with so much fun hanging out near and on the bay, eating crabs, cracking crabs with friends, and really, I mean, it's crabland, and we love our fair share of Maryland crabs. So today I'm going to be making for you our famous Maryland crab dip in the Ligero pizza oven.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
To get our crab dip base started, we are going to add in 8 ounces of cream cheese, warmed up nice and soft. And then we are going to add in a half a cup of sour cream. We'll add in a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And I only have a half, so we'll do it 4 times here. A sprinkle of ground mustard. We are going to add a little bit of Old Bay hot sauce. Old Bay is that Maryland crab seasoning that we love so much. Roughly a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and we're gonna mix this all up. All right, now I'm going to do a sprinkle of lemon and add in the Old Bay seasoning. We want a nice heavy helping here, and mix this all together. Now that we have our crab dip base all put together, it is time to add our crab meat. And we have a pound of lump Maryland blue crab meat to add into our dip mixture here. Look at that, so good. And we really want to fold in our meat because we want to make sure that we keep the lumps as together as possible. Today we are going to be using a cast iron skillet to bake our crab dip in the Ligero pizza oven. So I'm just going to add this all in, spread it out nicely, and then we will be topping it with our cheddar cheese. To top it off, before we put it in the pizza oven, we are just going to do a nice dusting of Old Bay seasoning on top. There we go. Turn it on, rotate.
There we go. Close her up and let the magic happen.
We've had our crab dip in the pizza oven for about 15 minutes now, and I'm going to get our baguettes ready because the dip's almost done. Just gonna cut us up some slices, and what I'm gonna do is have these buttered and ready. So once our dip is out, we are gonna pop these in the Ligero pizza oven just to toast them up a little bit and serve with our crab dip. It is ready to come out.
Ooh, that looks spectacular.
All right, while we not get so tantalized by the amazing crab dip, I gotta get these baguettes in first. All right, and get those toasted up nicely. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. It smells so good. I cannot wait to dive in and try this. It's like a masterpiece.
It looks so good.
It looks so good. Look at this.
Those also smell very, very tasty.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take our little baguettes and outline our dip. Hot, hot, hot.
I was gonna say, those are gonna be hot.
And for a little bit of color, I've got some green onion.
This makes me so excited because I feel like this is one of those dishes we could only get in a restaurant before.
Yes.
And now we can make it at home, and it's probably gonna taste even better.
All right, well, let's dive in and see if it tastes as good as it looks.
Yep. You did it. Yes. I'm gonna go ahead and double dip because it's ours.
This is so
Super good. The crab is amazing. The bread's nice and crispy. That is fantastic.
Wow, that's so good. We are having so much fun with the Ligero. It's awesome. If you don't have one, we highly recommend it. Definitely check it out.
And also check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Check out the YouTube channel, which you're probably watching us there anyway. But go ahead and subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Betty, Bruce, Nate, Todd, Matt, CJ, Taylor, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.